Hey guys, Nick Arnold, Straight Jacket Armory. We're going to talk about the Sig Cross Prefit barrels. Now, a couple things you guys need to know. This is not like our shouldered prefit barrels where you can just screw them onto your actions. For a long time, we said we weren't going to do barrel nut, remage type, savage barrels because we didn't want you guys having to adjust headspace and lash. We wanted to keep control of that in-house, and we can do that with a shouldered prefit barrel. However, with the savage or the savage type or the Sig Cross, they use a barrel nut. So if you've installed a barrel on a savage and headspace went out, you're going to be really familiar doing this. However, if you haven't done one before, we recommend that all of you guys take these to a Sig qualified armor to have these barrels installed. Okay, they use a barrel extension and a jam nut here to set that headspace. So you cannot just screw these on and go shoot them. It will not be safe. We do not recommend it. And if you do that, we will not warranty it either. Don't do it. It's going to get you in trouble. Now, these are available in two different contours. We have the Sig factory contour for you guys that are just wanting a little more barrel or a different chamber than what Sig had to offer. And then we also offer them in our heavy contour, which is basically a 1-inch with a very slight tapering down to about 0.97 at 16.5 inches. These barrels are available in 16.5, 18, 20, 22, 24, and then we actually have some 25s that we're going to post up on the website you guys can buy. Now, for right now, these are custom ordered, and what that means is you guys order them, we order blanks very specifically made to your specs. We cut those. There is a lead time associated with that. It's in the product listing. We have another product where we're actually building some prefab barrels where you guys can just, if they're in stock, you can buy them. Once we get enough data on what people are wanting, we will start adding more and more products to that Sig lineup so that you guys are no longer having to wait. You can just simply go in and buy the barrel if it's in stock. Okay, one thing you guys do need to notice, when you look at our barrel versus the Sig barrel you're going to take off, there is something we did different in the chamber area back here. Okay, so what we did was on the Sig barrel, I'll try and hold that up to the camera there is a big chamfer going into the chamber right there. And a lot of people do that because they feel that it aids in feeding. However, your feeding and the alignment of your cartridge into the chamber is done via the barrel extension, not that big chamfer. And with the amount of stick out on the case head being 150 thousandths already, and then adding another 60 thousandths of unsupported chamber to it, we just didn't feel comfortable with it. So we are not running that big chamfer on our chambers. We're supporting more of your case head. It should make reloading a little nicer when you're resizing that brass. It's also much safer. Not that the original one isn't safe. We just said safer, okay? If you have any questions about these products or anything else on our website, feel free to give us a call, 307-679-3181. Thanks, guys.